Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can use the Tellonym application. Now, firstly, to use the Tellonym application, you'll have to make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up the Play Store application on your device. Once you've made sure that the Play Store application is opened up, on the bottom right corner, you'll see this search option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, on the search bar, type in TELLONYM and hit the search button. After you hit the search button, this Tellonym Anonymous Questions application will appear on your screen. Once you click on it, if the install button appears, go ahead and click on it, which will download and install the Tellonym application. And if the open button appears, just simply click on that. After you click on the open button, you'll be redirected to the Tellonym app. Now you'll have to create an account, or you can just continue with Google by clicking on this continue with Google option. Now on this pop-up, simply click on this accept and continue option. After you click on the accept and continue option, your Gmail accounts will appear on your screen. Now choose a Gmail account to open up the Tellonym app. Now you'll have to input your mobile phone number, or you can just skip it by clicking on the skip option on the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on it, your link will be live. Now you can use this Tellonym link to open up your Instagram story and put the link there by simply clicking on this continue option like this. And you can either copy this link by simply clicking on it, or you can use this share on Instagram button to share it on Instagram, or you can share elsewhere by clicking on this button and choose all the social media platforms to use Tellonym. I hope this video helped you to use Tellonym. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.